Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to refund on DHgate. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To request or refund on DHgate, you'll need to open a dispute through their buyer protection system. To do it, simply head over and open up your app, and then once you're here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, then simply select orders or simply tap on view all right next to orders. Then once you're inside your orders, simply select all on the option and all your orders will be listed right here. Now you need to find the order that you want to refund. Now once you find it, simply tap on it and then you'll find a three-dot icon. Simply tap on that. You can only request a refund if the item has not been received by the delivery deadline and the item is damaged, wrong or not as described. Then what you need to do is select open dispute, choose reason, example item not received or item not described, upload a photo or video evidence if applicable, request of full refund or partial refund depending on the issue, then add a message explaining the problem clearly. Then wait for the seller's response, and then if everything goes correctly, your refund amount will be processed within 5 to 10 business days depending on your payment method. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.